from school. I have freshed up. I'm feeling so tired today because all the classes were going on. The first thing I do after coming home from school is I do a fresh up, I change my uniforms, and another thing I do is I detangle my hair and oil my hair. And after that, I will take some snacks or some rice or whatever at the home. Some nutritious food which gives very much strength. And after that, I watch TV for half an hour or till 4:30. After 4:30, I went to the terrace. In terrace, I spent half an hour time because in terrace we feel so much cool. It was so good there. After that, I came back to home. Now I think it's time 6 o'clock. So I will tell you what happened today in school. As usual, after going to school, all our friends met. After that, as usual, everyday routine is like having assembly in the school or college. So we had our assembly with so many rules and regulations were announced today in assembly. After that, we have our first period, that is physics. We completed our physics period. Quite interesting as compared to 11. Even 11th also is interesting. 12th is more interesting. I was like so much excited that what happens in 12th with the subjects and everything. After my physics, I had my Hindi class. Even that also we have started some grammar, I think. Yeah, we started some grammar. And the third period is our chemistry. In third period chemistry, we have learned solutions. We have started solutions chapter. In the first day only we have started every subject, teaching and learning. So it was like much interesting. I am so much excited as usual this year going to the board. So much tense, like how I complete and how I crack these boards and the upcoming exams like NEET and everything. And in this year also I am having a Rashtrapati camp, so I am so quite interested at what will be happening in further days. So this was today's, and like in English, ma'am was taught what are the syllables and we have discussed all these things. After that, we have our bio class. In bio class, we have started our second chapter, that is sexual reproduction in flowering plants. I am 5PC students who have bio and all this physics, chemistry, English and Hindi. All these were interesting subjects and I so much I really like to do much work on these. I hope I will do good in this year. Okay then, I'm feeling so tired. I want to take some rest and do other works as well. So in the evening from 6:30 till 8:30 I have done my works, written works and learning works. I completed my bio chapters, learning what was ma'am taught on this day. And after that I had my dinner, completed my dinner. So it's time to sleep. I'm too tired today because as well as first day of my 12th and even completed my dinner and after that I have walk for 10 minutes here and there, but just normal for digestion. And now it's time to sleep. Now I'm going to sleep. So this is the total end of this video. I hope you like this video, like how I spend my day in my first day of class 12. It is so much productive and so much interesting. I am like so excited for further days, how I am going to be learning and how I am going to do all these things. I hope you also like to watch my video, and please don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment. And tell me, how is your first day of your class 12 or 11, 10, 9, 8? Don't forget to comment, okay? And tell me, how is your experience in this new academic season? So thank you for watching this video, and please do share this video to your friends and relatives so they also watch this video and enjoy and get some inspiration to do some work in time. Do share this video with your friends and relatives so that they also can watch this video. Okay then, thank you. Bye bye.